behalf of everyone who are here, and in behalf of Irene Kong, Wedding and Events Planner, we would like to say congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Lacson! Sa masigaw mo manapakan naman. I will now going to focus myself to the newlywed couple, and I'll be asking them series of questions. Nag-prepare ko 48 questions for the groom and 37 questions for the bride. So, I'm so sorry guys, but this is not anymore a wedding reception, but this will turn into a quiz bee. Let's start with the Q&A portion. Sir Yong, please step forward. I'll be reading the question twice before you answer it in 60 seconds. Please face the audience. Are you ready? Ready? Ready. First question. Let's move first with the easy, moving to mid and then difficult. Easy question. Pila ka buo ang imong gustong mamahimong mga anak puhon? Duha. Duha. Ma'am Rim, pila? Duha. Duha. So, upat tanan. Duha plus duha equals upat. You know, it is written in the Bible that the moment you receive the sacred matrimony, it is also part of your obligation to go to the world and multiply. I'm so sorry, but I cannot fulfill that myself, the passage of the Bible, because I will always forever be single. This is my choice, and I'm happy for this. I'm so sorry. Okay? Sir Yong, let's move to mid question. Itanaw si Sir sa akong kudigo. Tanan question, sir, was already registered to my brain cells using my hypothalamus, cerebellum, and cerebrum. Middle question. Unsa ang pinaka-anidot na experience with them na mas nagpalawong sa imong buong mas kipili niyo siya o mas tingin ka sa imong kaugalingon nga siya na yun ang mamahimong kapikas sa kinabuhi. I'll repeat! Unsa na mas nagpa-deepen sa inyong love, mas kipili niyo siya o mas tingin ka sa imong kaugalingon nga siya na yun ang mamahimong kapikas sa kinabuhi. Your 60 seconds time starts now.
Well, ang pinaka-nice na experience na ako sa Yabaghan, ayaw pero ang kanang nakuha sa ako ang isang nagpalib sa ako feeling sa mga moments nga mabukan me, tapos ka na ako sa ilang pintan na yun sa submission sa kanya. Gabi niya ka maalaga pa. Siya niya mo open nga mo, luto ka rin eh, ginamit ko sa lahat ko, open ko na rin. Gabi mo kayo sa muluto, yun. Kasi katong tayo nga naparehan nga sa Abas, katong pagkili sa Abas, nanong ko kumaya nga, kaya pagpasapay nga, mag-lisot ako suot sa sapatos kay lamig sa mga motor niya. Mahalagi din siya.
Therefore, I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate code that the only way to win a man's heart is through stomach. Kung sa mga imong ginalutong mamrin, na kanang medyo dili niya kalimtan o iya imperfecting your request.
Boiled egg.
Boiled egg! Ipagkatawa na ito ni Mama. Kung saan sir, ang ma'am, ang iyang pinakaganahan yun, ano mong niluto?
Fried egg.
I will not going to contradict with the answer as long as all about eggs. Let's... Kung sa paman ma?
Yung favorite isa ng bilat.
Kung sa paman? Aside from boiled egg and fried egg.
Scrambled egg.
Daan ko lagi ko. All about
egg.
Eggs. Bibitaw. Last na. Seryoso ba yan? Joker mo pwede si Mama Rin. Mability ba ito ka Joker? Bitaw. Ano sa mga dito?
Nilagang baboy.
May galing kay Nanay Baboy. Kaya mo na pong nilagang egg. Thank you so much and a big round of applause. This time, I'd like to ask you, Sir Yon, moving to the difficult question. Diba, Crispino? Sir, I want you to face your wife right now. Kanya ihatag sa iya ang inyong pinahibing pagbati, not the vows, but the moment you receive the sacred matrimony, I know you have this kind of feelings, no? Na happy ka because finally you are with this beautiful girl. So I want you to give your message to your wife right now officially as Mrs. Lacson. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Sir Yon.
Miss mo manay no na pagkatapos ng script ay namin. Ito, una pasalamat ko sa Ginoo. May Ginoo sa tanan. Kay kong love story ako personally nag-start ko siya kung prayer ko. Tapos setting up standards or some sort of like qualifications kung kinsa pa akong ipangita. Some list of like qualities sa magiging partner ng mga kaubaling ko for a lifetime. Kaya, iwan ko kung nakadungog naman ang storya ka. Dahil mga babaeng abot sa imo tama na sila, kung di rin tama sila halaga ng iyong lang. Dahil itong babae na abot sa imo kung makita din yung mga kinikilig sa kabalang for a lifetime. So, salamat kayo sa Ginoo nga. Dagang kayong mga events, wala ako personally mag-expect nga ka nag-interrupt kami kayo. Sa inyo barangay, tapos nag-abot sa college sa inyo, kasi naman ko lang. Wala lang, pero amazing kayo mo rin sa Ginoo kung kaya mo ay mga babae. Salamat kayo sa Ginoo. Tapos, sa inyo po, misis ako sa iyo, huwag ko nagpasa sa akong desisyon dito na pili ka na. Naghanap ko mga potential dami yung ipangtan na oportunidad, pero dahil rin itong ikaw, parang ako kung galing desisyon na dito na ako from here, diri naging ko, desisyon ko.
Sa araw-araw. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. and Mrs. Lacson! At this center, I'd like to invite first our beautiful bride in just stay room. To join our groups, I would like to request the mother, Mrs. Marilyn Lacson, to please join your son here on the dance floor. Level, another step of being a person. Always remember that your parents will be there to support and to guide you. And this is also the moment that you will fully understand how to become a parent of your own family. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the father and daughter.
I will protect you from all around you. I will. You'll be in
house. Commitment to care for each other and commitment to fidelity and love. At this juncture, let us all welcome officially as Mr. Ulysses and Mrs. Jerry Ray Verano Lacson on their own version of First Couple Dance.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, anywhere. I promise I won't let anyone, anything come between you and me. This love we got is
take your seats now. Feel free to relax. Don't worry guys, alam ko, nag-aantay kayo for the disco and the party after this. And I want all of you to have a party together with our mobile bar. But always remind yourself sa ating mobile bar, though despite it's a cocktail, but I would like also to remind all of you, drink moderately, okay po? So this center, let's try to check how sweet we are to each other. Let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Luxor! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, it's okay, diba? So this center, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for the newlywed couple for the kiss. Come on! Go! Will be the ceremonial toasting of the wine. To give a message and to facilitate for the toasting of the wine, I'd like to invite here to join us Miss Maria Aviles. I'd like to request Miss Maria. Okay, so I'd like to request Jennifer Abdullah. Sorry, it's Pastor Jennifer Abdullah to do it together.
Let us all raise our glasses to the blessings, to the celebration of lifetime of love, abundance and blessings and fruitfulness to Young and Rem. Cheers, everyone!
Cheers! Bye-bye! Ako sa kanya buwan na, mga most likely, December. Di siya magsama ka kasi naman ma-invite na natin. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to you, the soon-to-be groom and soon-to-be bride, Mr. Armin Geraldo and Ms. Rosalie Sinagote. So a big round of applause for them. Please join our newlywed couple in the picture. And yes, all of you will be invited for the wedding soon. Just stand by everyone because we have our videos, of course, with the newlywed couple before we have our party. And so it is my pleasure, of course, indeed, to say thank you to the Pavilion at Watergate Live Access Kitchen for the food and the venue. Palakpakan naman for Pavilion and of course Live Access. Before we're gonna play the video, I would like to give the microphone this time to our newlywed couple, Mr. Ulysses and Mrs. Jeremy Luxor, for them to say thank you to everyone first before we will gonna play the video that we prepared for you. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Luxor for them to say thank you to all of us.
May gabi sa tanan! Okay ba? Okay ba? Kaya ba? Sige tayo naman na ba? Nayaw ko yung outro. Entertain mo bitaw. Daghang kayo salamat sa inyong tanan. Dili ka raw pa isa-isa, pero daghang kayo salamat sa inyong presensya sa mga special na araw. Naiuban, ikampas, nagkalanay, lapit, nangyayon din, nagkakaroon, nagkakaroon ko. Daghang salamat sa inyong mga effort na para magpag-inaw sa mga special day. Sa Rich Family, daghang salamat sa inyong alam family, sa akong mga ati, mga alugol, dito may isa-isa. Medyo naganda-ganda sa family,